Hello everyone, this is JAYFIX Designs. Today is day 5 of our project. We are doing the gypsum lighting. You can see we are installing the LED glass panels, and then later we'll be installing the RGB strip lights on the gypsum pockets. We are also doing the TV console. As you can see, the panel and the wallpapers are also being installed. Now, the painting is still going on both for the walls and for the ceilings. Once we are done with the painting, we can complete the other part of the lighting. So today, that's all that we will be doing. See you tomorrow as we enter day 6 of our project. Stay tuned.